Hello there. Now you might experience the problem of Instagram with no sound with the update of iOS 16.4, right? So I'm here to tell you that there is no direct connection that the Instagram has having no sound with that update, because that problem is by Instagram itself. It is a compatibility issue. It also happened on iOS 15 if I'm not mistaken. Anyway, to show you that problem is gonna be open your Instagram please. And with this one, as you can see, this is a video right now on my Instagram. Even if I click volume up, volume down, my end would be properly volume up. There would be sound available because I already fixed this. But in your end, if you're not having that sound, that you might be having trouble on your iOS 16 update or IG update, let me tell you what to do, okay? So first things first, I want you to check your App Store. Let's just open that one here and click on Instagram. Let me just show you the base landing page of App Store. It should be this one. Type in Instagram, click on it. Once you're here, I want you to open Instagram. If it says open, it's already updated to the latest version available to you. But if it says update right here, please update it right away so you can have the full features available for you. And 95 or 90% of the times it will solve that problem with no sound. Now, in case that this problem still persists, I have another option for you. I want you to go to settings. This is just a security measure, okay? Go to settings, open it, and click on generals tab. From here, I want you to click on software update. And let's check if there's available update for us. And as you can see here, mine is 16.4.A. Open parenthesis, close parenthesis A. That means that I have an available version available for me here. I'm not gonna install it as of now. It will take quite some time, but if you have it right now on your end while watching this video, please, I encourage you to update it. That might solve your problem also, even though I said it's not directly connected with iOS, but let's not take all the chances, right? Let's just update it, please. Now, let's say that you already done that and the problem still persists. Now, I want you to check on the video again. Open your Instagram, and then let me just click this watch again here. As you can see here, if you notice the video, on the lower right side, there is a mute icon. The speaker icon is slashed out, right? If you click on this one, the sound might come back or might not on your end, but on my end here, it's coming back. So that means I'm not having any problem on my Instagram, right? So please check on that. It might just be clicked in. That's why you don't have any sound. Okay, then. Let's say you still have that problem. I have only one solution for you. Please check on the mute button of your phone itself. So it should be like this. This is the one you should be expecting. If you're facing your phone, holding it upright position, it's on the left side upper part, this one right here. So if it's the red dot is not showing, that means it's unmuted. If it's red dot showing, it's muted or silent. Please check on it properly. Maybe that's the one causing your problem. Okay, so those are the three things that I want you to check to fix this problem with Instagram with no sound with iOS 16.4. Okay, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.